Assalamu alaikum viewers. From behalf of your live team, I am here. Today's our topic is related from the current issue series. Today's our topic is how the value of money is determined. Who decide how much money is worth? The value of money is determined by the demand for it, just like the value of goods and services. There are three ways to measure the value of dollar. The first is how much the dollar will buy in foreign currencies. That's what the exchange rate measurement. Forex trader on the foreign exchange market determine exchange rates. They, they take into account supply and demand and then factor factor in their expectation for the future. For this reason, the value of money fluctuates throughout the trading day. The second method is the value of treasury notes. They can be converted easily into dollar through the secondary market for treasuries. Second question: when the demand for treasury is high, the value of the US dollar rises. The third way is through foreign exchange reserves. That is the amount of dollar held by the foreign government. The more they hold, the lower the supply. They makes US money more valuable. If foreign governments were to sell all their dollars and treasury holding, the dollar would collapse. US money would be worth a lot less. No matter how it's measured, the dollar value declined from 2000 to 2011. That was due to a relatively low Fed funds rate. A high economic in the world had even slower growth that made traders want to invest in the dollar as a safe haven. As a result, the dollar strengthened against the euro. It's made travel to Europe very affordable. Third question: how it affects you? The value of money affects you every day at the gas pump and the grocery stores. Demanded for gas and food is inelastic. Producers now know to buy gas or food every week. It's not always possible to delay purchase when the price rises. Producers will pass on any of their extra costs. You will buy it at the higher price for a value for a while until you can change your habits. When the price of gas or of food gas goes up, you are experience the reduced value of money. Fourth question: when the value of money still declines. Inflation is when the value of the money steadily decline over time. Once people expected that will rise, they are more likely to buy now before price go higher. They increase demand, which tells producers they can safely pass one more cost. They drive price up more, and inflation becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's why the Federal Reserve watch inflation like a hawk. It will reduce the money supply or raise interest rates to curb inflation. A healthy economy can sustain a core inflation rate of 2%. Core inflation is the price of everything except foods and gas price, which are very volatile. The consumer price index is the most common measure of inflation. Another question: when it increases. Deflation is when the value of the money increase. That sounds like a great thing, but it is worse for economic than inflation. Why? Think about the happened to the housing market from 2007 to 2011. That was massive deflation. Price dropped more than 20%. Many people could not sell their houses for what they owed on their mortgage. Mortgage buyers were afraid that the price would drop right after they purchased it. Now, one knew when the price would turn back up. Through the value of the money increase, you received more house for the dollar in 2011 than in 2006. But families lost homes, construction workers lost jobs, buildings went bankrupt. That's what makes deflation so dangerous. It's fair driven downward spiral. How the value of money has changed over time. In 1913, Money was worth a lot more. A dollar then could buy what 25.92 could purchase. In July in 2019, the dollar lost value slowly, but 1920 it could buy what 12.34 did in 1929. During the Great Depression, money gained in value as a result of deflation. A dollar in 1930 could buy what 15.46 did in 2019. By 1915, money had lost some values. A dollar could buy what 10.65 did in 2019. Money has been losing values ever since. In 1970, it could only buy what 6.58 in 2018 term. By 1990, it was only worth of 1.97. Also in 2019 term. In the 2000, it was worth 1.48 in 2019.